Nag-warm up. Ano yan? Ay, nag-isip ka ba? Sorry. Okay lang. Pasok mo muna ka sa loob. Lalapit ako tayo.
Happy birthday, Liza!
No power, please charge battery. No power, please charge battery.
Nakabukas yung flat.
You want for kids? Happy birthday, Liza. What color? Rainbow. So say cut 1, 2, 3, 1. Cut 1, 2, 3, 1.
No power, please charge battery.
What color? Yellow. Cut 1, 2, 3, 1. 2, 3. Okay, what color is this? And blue. Blue. And
No power, please charge battery.
how many colors? 4 colors. What color? And next one. And this one. And last one. Once again, all the kids. How many colors, kids? 4 colors. So everybody,
No
happy
power,
birthday,
please
Liza.
charge battery.
Open your eyes. Ready? Open your eyes. 1, 2, and... And watch. Palakpak muna. Hindi pa magic to kids. Okay? Sabi pa lang to. Ready? Okay,
No
watch.
power, please charge battery.
Para sa baba. Nakikita mo?
Kids, anong gusto niyo lumabas sa magic support? Bird or rabbit? Hindi, sabihin niyo bird.
Tayong zipper.
Bird na lang. Okay, ready kids? Here we go. Watch, watch. 1, 2, and 3, and music. Ready? 1, 2, go, go. 1, 2, okay, one more, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, here we go, once. Okay, clap your hands. Ano? Okay. Hindi pa magic yung kids. Hindi pa. Ano pa lang yun? Basic magic pa lang yun. Okay? Anong kulay to? Anong kulay? Ito ako para mas maganda. Ready? Anong kulay? Say happy birthday, Nigel. Open your eyes, kids, and don't blink. Wow, very nice. Don't blink. Ready? Here we go. Watch, kids. 1.
Ding dong, bam 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 bam
Watch.
bam bam.
What's going on?
Clap your hands. What is this? Everyone say hi. Clap your hands. Happy birthday, Nigel. Clap your hands. Happy birthday, Nigel.
Dami.
Everybody clap your hands.
Wala akong maayos ng phone. Hindi ako maano. Ay, na. Galing magbanat.
Hirap maghanap buhay. Hirap. Pag sumatuto ng magic. Sumatuto ng magic. Kung lahat na gagawin ko, gagayahin mo, okay? Yes, medyo may nanay, may tatay, no? Medyo alaw ko tayo speaker natin, okay? Say, happy birthday, Nigel. Hawakan mo to, kids. Hawakan mo to. Kalimang kamay. Tingin natin na. Tingin natin. Yes, sa kanan. Just wait, kukuha pa ako ng isa, kids, okay? Yes, kids. Yes na kami ng magic paper. Okay?
Pag trip lang si Ken.
Everybody clap your hands for Gail.
Ito tayo, Ben. Ha?
Come on. Say ooh.
Ha? Sag mo siya doon.
Okay, sing. One more.
Yun sa po, sit down. Huwag lang.
Clap your hands for Kel! Kel, parang bigay ng prize, Kel. Kel, lapit na Kel. Sa mga prize. Baka sa mga gusto mo, small or big? Big, bigyan mo lang kukuha. Ito, maso ito, malaki ito. Okay, kukuha ni Lola. Joke lang. Bigyan natin ang prize. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, your prize. Everybody clap your hands. Okay. Gusto mo ba ng magic? Gusto mo? Are you kids ready? And sing a happy birthday song. Get ready. Kantaan natin si Nigel. So, inasis pa yung cake. So, sabay-sabay tayo, kids. Kung sino pinakamagaling kumata sa inyo, we have a prize. Bibigyan ko ng prizes. Marami pa tayong prize, okay? Get ready. Sabayan natin yung music. Dito. Sino gusto ng bubble show? Ask your mind. Malaki, pwede magpapigil sa ating bubble show, ha? So,
Kuya natanggal. Di siya film.
si Sir na lang po mag-awag po, sinabi na lang po. Thank you. Later, Father. Ready? Sabay-sabay, are you kids ready? Yes, and sing a happy birthday sa kita natin si Nigel Kids, ha? Hindi ko mata, walang giveaways. Marami pa tayo giveaways. So, get ready? And 3, and 2, and 1. Sabay-sabay, kids, ready? Oh, come on, kids, ready, sing.
Happy birthday to you.
Louder.
Happy birthday to you.
Sabay-sabay. One more kids, let's make it possible. Clap your hands, ready? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time. Happy birthday to you. Sabay-sabay.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy lakas.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, sabihin natin ang happy birthday, Nigel.
Happy birthday, Nigel.
Clap your hands. Nigel, close your eyes and make a wish bigger again. 3, 2, 1, blow the candle. Blow. Blow po yan. Everybody clap your hands. Pakinggan natin si Mama and Daddy, Mommy first, okay? Especially po para kay Nigel. Okay, sa part na to, pwede na kami okay? Ready?
Nakapus talaga.
Everybody clap your hands. Palakpakan po natin si Mommy. Thank you. And naman si Sir Daddy, pakinggan po natin. Okay, Sir Daddy, come on, thank you so much. Everybody clap your hands. Palakpakan po natin. Mukha mo rin si Angelo Predica po. Pero marunong tumakas si Sir. Pero sa sample na, Sir, okay lang. Kata po kayo kanta. Okay, get ready. All the kids, task come on. Do you want to see me bubble show?
Yes!
Are you kids ready? Okay, dito pala yung mga bata-bata. Ilabas na natin yung bubble show. Get ready. Medyo hindi pa tayong flooring natin. Ito gagawin natin, kids.
Si Juris!
Please stand up and go there. Doon kayo lahat. Dito mag-bubble show si Kuya Clown. Get ready.
Wala.
Kids, don't touch the
Bill, lapit tayo, Bill.
natin po talaga yung mga bulsong para maganda yung highlights. Get ready, Papa. Ilabas na natin yung kiddie. Sino mauna? Sino mauna?
Ito, hindi ka lang din.
Okay, tapos tingin kay Mami, picture, baby boy.
Dito sana.
Wait lang lang.
Eh, tingin ka doon. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Please, atras po, atras. Atras, kids. Huwag natin puputulin yung bubbles, kids, ha? Don't touch the bubbles, okay? Yes, yung hangin, pattern, medyo pag ganun yung hangin, no? Yes, pag ganun yung hangin. Next, sino next? Who's next?
Maliit.
Ito, tinuturo ni Mami ito yung maliit. Pattern.
Yung maliit.
Tingnan mo dito kay Mami, dito, partner. Dito.
Dito.